Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the Zoom controller Speak on Touch to read out the text on your iPhone 13 running iOS 15. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. In here, tap on Zoom and then go down, tap on Zoom controller. Okay, so at the top here, turn on Zoom controller by tapping on the toggle button. You switch it on. Once it is on, make sure that you go to the controller actions and choose either single tap, double tap, or triple tap to open the Speak on Touch, so you can set them to whichever actions you want to use. So at the moment, I set it to single tap. So if I tap on it once, you can see the icon becomes a hand symbol. So if I touch on certain text on the screen, it will read the text out loud.
The Zoom controller allows quick access to Zoom controls. When zoomed out, drag to reposition. When zoomed in, drag to pan.
Now you can tap on the stop button to stop the reading out loud at any time. And that's it.
The Zoom controller allows quick.
So you can basically have it read anything on the display. So let's say if you go to the website here, I can tap on it and then choose a section that I want it to read out.
Description of the development of the universe. According to this theory, space and time emerged together.
Okay, so that's it. So that's how you can use Touch to Speak with Zoom controller on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.